already only 1,800 hours on this 2012 S650 now. Got the pre-emission engine there. Pre-emission Kubota diesel. Does have the high flow hydraulics. Got the big bucket on it. Now we are selling this one as a pre-shop special simply because it has a hydraulic oil leak somewhere. It's not fast, but it does leak a bit of hydraulic oil. Our shop is so backed up, we're going to sell this as is, as a pre-shop special. If you're a mechanic and want to finagle around with it, figure out where the oil leak is, great. She runs and drives, again, pre-emission Kubota diesel engine.